Here we have a 2016 Chevy Colorado Z71, only 17,000 miles. Only really one owner on this truck with a clean Carfax. Really pretty kind of electric midnight metallic blue, good looking color. Of course, the Z71 gives you a lot of kind of the black sport accents, as well as you can see a little aftermarket bug shield there. Just gonna kind of walk around it real quick, show you some of the amenities. There's high intensity headlamps with the black smoked lenses. We got the halogen fog lamps there integrated into bumper fascia with little chrome surrounds. See the black bow tie with the black grill, Z71 logos, black kind of bottom valiance there to the lower fascia. Really gives it a good looking look. Also the Z71, as we come around here, gives you these kind of graphite pitted brush face aluminum alloy wheel. Also you got 3/4 tread on these Goodyears all the way around. Brand new brake and brand new rotor. And that's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car, here at All Things Automotive, we do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicle, find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of the car. As you can see, a power seat there with a leather and bolt embroidery. And these bolsters are kind of a bluish gray, as you can see, with the dark gray inserts and then the cloth inside. Really good looking interior. Let me see if I can find that evaluation. I like to show it to you folks on these videos. Just want to show you all 10-30 seconds on all the tires, and they're matching. 3/4 tread on the brakes there, so they weren't new, but they did resurface the rotors. So very good on the wearables. That's what we really try to do for you guys. We don't want you to spend any money on these vehicles. We do completely recondition them before listing for sale. You can see 2 bucket seats, automatic shifter on the floor there in between. Oh, that two-tone look throughout the dash with the blue gray and the dark gray. Sharp truck. Let's take a peek. Also, I want to show you, it does have the factory 5-inch door-to-door running boards and the factory splash guards on the front and the rear, as you can see. 5-passenger capacity here on this vehicle. You can see USB ports and 12-volt power supply in the back. Help keep your rear occupants connected there. Ample leg, hip, and shoulder room as well. Again, Goodyears all the way around here. Resurface rotors. Show you another look at those factory mud flaps. Step bumper here on the Chevys is nice class 3 tow hitch, 7-pin and 4-pin connectors. Backup camera, more black bow ties there. Do have a soft tonneau cover here as well. Easy drop tailgate with the factory spray and bed liner. So very well taken care of and accessorized here. Again, driver's side now we're looking, again, no matching tires. Also like to give you a shot of the frame rail. You can see full brand new spare underneath and no oxidation at all on that rail. Looking through the driver's side rear, again, very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner wasn't a smoker. And then we'll take a look here through the driver's side. As you can see, full power seat on this side as well. Also want to show you, we do have 2 sets of keys here. We always give that on all our vehicles here at Thomas. You can see there with the remote start and the keyless entry. Let's just jump in real quick. Like I said, only 17,000 original miles. 17,911. Just show you the Carfax. Now I said one owner, but there's a reason it shows 3 owners, but I just want to show you owner 2 was one month, owner 3 is us, 28 days. So what it was originally owned by personal use for 3 years, and then it was picked up by a fleet company who then sold it to us. So really only one owner on this vehicle. I just wanted to point that out. And the other thing, no accidents, no damage. That's the key part of this. 17,911 automatic headlamp controls, electronic shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive transfer. You push for your fogs, that's your dimmer for your interiors. Does have the upgraded sound, AM, FM satellite radio, ability to pair your phone. Does have the heads-up display. ONSTAR nav, so turn by turn through ONSTAR is available as well. Let's go back home. Your settings, ability to show your text messages, and of course your ONSTAR. All GMs have it. There's your analog controls. Does have dual climate control here, as you can see. Also has your trailer set up, your tow haul button. Also has your traction control turn off. There's a button for your cargo light. Does have your 4-ways, and I knew a sneeze was coming. Also has your 4-ways and your downhill descent control, heated seats, driver and passenger below that. Ability to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission here on the side floor shifter M if you want to get into manual mode there. 2 cup holders. Inside another USB and 12 volt. Did want to show you 2 high beams and turn signals are on the left stem, intermittent wiper washers on the right. There again is your OnStar head. Does have the auto dim on the rear view, LED map lights. Also got your illuminated visors. So very well equipped. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. You have a foot pedal there for your emergency brake. Hood releases right here. See, 3.6 liter V6 variable valve timed engine. Very, very clean. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on any of the terminals. Obviously, 17,000 miles. It looks like a new one under here, as it should. Let's go ahead and shut the truck off. Get into the last portion of the video. Now, I explained and showed you the mechanical evaluation in the glove box, also the auto history report that is clean on the dash. Last part of making an informed buying decision is cosmetic appearance. Literally a minute before doing this video, our PDR guy was in here, paintless dent removal, and took out any tiny minor dents this vehicle may have. So I'm not gonna find any dents on this truck. But what I'm looking for is to see if maybe there's a couple little stone chips or a little nick there on the edge of that door. Might have a little stone chip here or there, but we really do try to recondition these vehicles to be like new. That's our whole point. People are getting new car sticker shock. This gives you a new car look, fit, finish, and feel at a used car price. And that's what we're looking for. Vehicles depreciate the most in the first 3 years of ownership. So if we can get a vehicle and recondition it to look absolutely like new with super low miles like this one, you can save thousands and essentially let someone else take the hit on depreciation while you're driving around a vehicle that looks new that you bought at a used car price. We also offer a bunch of extended warranties at excellent prices, so you can really make this truck like new all over again. Save thousands of dollars. And a little bit of bug damage, a couple little stone chips across this front clip. The bug shield protected the hood. One there and one there. But all in all, guys, excellent like new alternative. Does still have the remainder of the comprehensive and powertrain warranties transferable from Chevrolet to the next owner, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Take a look on our web at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224, or come visit us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial. I wish you an excellent day.